You would probably know which is the largest animal in the world. Are you still thinking out there? Yeah, it's blue whale. But have you ever thought, what if you are swollen by a whale? This video is about it, so let's go to the video. Have you heard the story of James Bartley, who was a sailor in 1890s and he was once swollen by a whale? After that, some of his friends captured whale and brought out James Bartley alive from whale's stomach. Do you believe this? It's a lie because you can't get out alive if you were swollen by a blue whale. I'm gonna explain it. It's true. Most of the whales don't eat human flesh, but this is a fantasy thinking. All body parts of blue whale is really huge comparing to the body parts of other animals. If you were swollen, you would first go to the mouth of blue whale, and its tongue can even hold an African elephant and sometimes more than that. Blue whale's tooth is almost 20 cm long and it's really sharp, and there itself you would be crushed off. Remaining parts of the body will reach the stomach and will be treated with highly acidic enzyme, and the whole body will be burnt. And the body waste will be eliminated through the anus of the blue whale. And share this video to the maximum. Subscribe and enable the bell button to reach all the notifications.